everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are at Tokyo Sky Dream. And why? Because today is the first day when? Because today at Starbucks you have the new collection about Sakura. And I wait for that for so long. Honestly, I waited for that for so long. So I'm here, full pink, with my tote bag with Sakura on it. Of course, I needed it with Kirucha. And let's go to find this marvelous mermaid. There is a crown as well. Let's go! That's the collection for only Japan. That's so beautiful. Look at this. Japan exclusive. That's so beautiful. But I'm here for that. Exclusive for Sakura. And I'm gonna take the one of each. Arigatou gozaimasu. So we got the Sakura Frappuccino, the Sakura Latte, and a Sakura donuts. And I know the cup is not reusable, but I will use it for my washi pants and everything kind of. So I'm gonna take it home and wash it myself. And they don't put your name there in Japan. Hey, it's editing Mikan. I'm really bad at describing or explaining food, drinks, or how it tastes like. So here is me doing voiceover. The Sakura drink, let's call it like that, is a Sakura latte. It tastes really good, sweet but not too sweet, and it didn't taste that much as cherry as I was expected. Sakura or cherry blossom do have a really particular taste that is indeed difficult to describe. That's one of those things you need to try yourself to have your own idea. In my son it has a floral taste. Thank you, Captain Obvious. With a very slight, really thin cherry aftertaste. I gave it a 8 on 10. It was very good, but definitely just a kind of plain latte. However, the Sakura cold drink, Sakura Sakurambo Frappuccino. This one had jelly on the bottom. They really love to put jelly everywhere, it's crazy. But I did really like it. Couldn't taste the Sakura though, but cherry for sure. And overall, really pleasing for the eyes, 10 on 10. The donut was really plain, just a donut with sugar icing. I don't recommend it and I don't want to be too harsh on this, so I won't give a score for this one. Funny thing is that I was scared that the chiffon cake tastes plain and meh. That's why I took the donut instead. But we went to meet some friends the very next day and we ended up going to Starbucks. So I gave a chance to the chiffon cake and OMG! It was so good! 110, really! I was very pleased with that creamy texture, the soft dough, the right amount of sweetness. So happy! So here is for my review. Let's do now a little haul, shall we? I end up getting a thermos and a cup. The next day. Hey, I am at my Airbnb and I just wanted to show you something because I didn't make the haul at all, and also I went back to Starbucks, not the same one. I went to Ikebukuro because at the Skytree there wasn't any postcard, and I like the postcard from Starbucks mostly because they also have a discount, not a discount, a coupon actually, to have a free drink. So I did take both of them that I'm gonna show you now with my haul of yesterday. So the bag is pretty cute. I'm gonna, like always, cut the bag to put it in inside my Hobonichi. And yeah, that one. The wrapping is so weird. I chose this one because of the color, because it's really more cuter than the other one. The other one is, I love the design of the other one because it's really fit, it's really like uniform. But this one is, I believe the color is really cuter. I really like it. Yep, the tag that come with. And actually inside it look like this. I didn't want to take this one because of that, but well. So a new thermos. I really wanted this collection from Sakura. I wait for that since I knew that I was going to Japan. I was like, Starbucks Sakura collection. Yes. Also, I found one from the Sakura collection, I believe, because there is a tag about the Sakura collection on it, but I didn't find it at Ikebukuro, so I don't know, maybe it was just at the Skytree. And by the way, at the Skytree you have seen the footage, I believe, but you have so much mugs and thermos from a Japan collection Starbucks. It's really beautiful, so you should go if you want some limited edition. It's really beautiful. And this one, I believe it's Sakura edition because I saw something, a tag or something. Yes. No? I don't know. Well, I don't know if it's Sakura collection or not, but look at this. It's really pink. It's really like me. Yes, that's why I thought it was Sakura collection, because on the back, I don't know if you can see very well because of the reflex. It is waiting Starbucks Tokyo 2020, and you have some cherry blossom petals and flower. It's really cute. I love it so much, and I need to take this one. And well, I need to tell you that Starbucks collection in general is really expensive. This one is a small mug, as you can tell. It's 1,900 yen, if you can tell. That's okay-ish, I believe, but thermos, I don't know of cost thermos in general, but this one is 4,100 yen. That's pretty expensive for a thermos, but it was a cheaper one. Also one of the reasons that's why I bought it, but as you can tell, it's so pretty. I love it so much. And when you buy a thermos at Starbucks in Japan, you also have eye paper, a tag, a bill or something. Mine looks like a bill, but in Tsukuba I really got a coupon. This is the bill that I got. Who gave me a free drink to put inside my thermos, so it's pretty cool. I love it. This is a bill. I don't care, but I just noticed the inside of the bag that is really cute. So I also got this postcard. That's the 2 cards that I got. Like this better. This one is really cute. If it can fit inside my Hobonichi, I will put it in my Hobonichi. I probably gonna offer this one for Julie. It's really cute, and as you can tell, this flower there, it's actually a coupon for a food drink for the size that you want, and I believe that here it's the coupon as well. And the postcard as themselves is 620 yen plus tax. Everything is plus tax, by the way. So that is super cute that I didn't find inside the Tokyo Skytree Starbucks. And lastly, before ending this review there, I just wanted to show you, because in Japan, I don't know if you have that in your country. I believe we have that in some Starbucks in France. I don't think that everyone is doing that, because in Colmar, from where I am, or Strasbourg, they don't do that. I believe in Bordeaux as well, so maybe only in Paris. I'm not sure, I don't know. But what I am talking about is this membership card from Starbucks, and they release one every month. With every new collection you have a special one, and of course I was waiting for the Sakura collection for having this membership card. It look like this behind. Well, it's basically a card where you put some money on it. You can pay with it in Starbucks, and when you pay in Starbucks with this card, you have some points on it. It's available when you collect points. I think it was something like available until 6 months to use them, and with them you can accumulate the points and have some food drinks, free products, and stuff like this. So it's pretty handy and it's pretty good, because as a Starbucks lover, if you go really often, like if you take a coffee Starbucks every morning, it would be so great to have it and accumulate some points to have food drinks. I don't know, I gonna put some links below if you want to see. And yes, well, that's it for my haul. I talk a little bit, 12 minutes, that's okay. Thank you for watching. I love ya. Love, subscribe, like, everything you want. Bye. See you on the next video. I first wanted to do a giveaway for these cups, because it can be really nice to have for washi tapes or pencil, like I do for my stationery basically. But I'm just too lazy to do a giveaway again. I did one last month, so for this time, if you want one, just contact me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or TikTok, and I will give you one. That's it. So if you want one, just contact me and we'll see together. Thank you for watching. 楽しみにしてるぜ。